Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the report on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button at the lower right corner of the screen. And here go to the third option, the daily report next to the timeline. And here you can check the daily report, the weekly report. The weekly report and the monthly is a premium function, so you can check just the daily report. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.